Regardless of your political stripes, one thing is clear. Public employee unions in Wisconsin aren't the political force they were 4 years ago. Fox 11 Investigates examines the changing role of unions in politics, and Robert Hornacek is here this morning with more. Hi, Robert.
Good morning, Rachel. You know, public employee unions will be active in the fall elections, but leaders say this time around it'll be a little different. One of the main reasons they cite is Act 10. For the most part, those public employee unions have fewer members and less money.
We saw a significant drop-off in membership.
Marty Beal is the head of the Wisconsin State Employees Union. He says Act 10 had a drastic impact on public unions across the state. Those unions have typically supported Democrats.
Will that translate into a significant drop in political activity?
I think what it'll translate into is that we will do our political activity a little differently than we did in the past.
Beal says rather than donating to individual candidates and campaigns, the unions will put more energy behind the scenes in things like get out the vote efforts.
You will see AFSCME and some of the other unions' political arm in a much more aggressive on-the-ground campaign than we ever have had before.
Mark Grahl is a Republican strategist.
What do you expect to see from the state and local public employee unions this fall?
I think they'll still be very active. I think maybe they have their members are not funding their political activities at the same rate that they used to, but that doesn't mean they're not going to be very politically active.
National unions are talking about spending big money in Wisconsin this year, but Mike McCabe from the Wisconsin Democracy Campaign isn't so sure.
So maybe national unions will jump in, maybe they'll try to flood the state with a lot of money. They're certainly making a lot of noise about wanting to do that. The real question is whether they have the capacity to counter some of the big money interests that come in on the other side.
Coming up tonight on Fox 11 News at 9, we'll hear more from both sides about what to expect in the fall elections. We'll also find out what some of those national union organizations are saying about the elections here in Wisconsin.